In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions on Wix. If you want your website visitors to be able to view your terms and conditions easily, Wix makes it simple to create a dedicated page for it and then link that page wherever you want on your site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process in a clear and practical way so you can set it up without confusion. To begin, go to your site editor in Wix. This is where you'll make all the changes to your website layout and pages. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click on Add. This section gives you access to different elements and features you can place on your site. From the Add menu, click on Pages. This is the area where you can manage the pages that already exist on your website and also create brand new ones. After that, choose the option to create a blank page. Using a blank page is helpful because it gives you a clean starting point, which is ideal for something like a terms and conditions page, where you usually want a simple, readable layout. Once the blank page has been created, you can start adding elements to it, such as text. In most cases, the most important part of this page is the text content itself, so keeping the design neat and easy to read is a good idea. You can add a heading like Terms and Conditions, and then place your full text underneath it. Make sure your formatting is consistent so the page looks professional and is easy for visitors to read. To give you an idea, this is the stage where you could model the page after a terms and conditions layout you've used before. If you already have an example page design, you can use that as a reference for spacing, text placement, and overall structure. That can save time and help maintain a consistent style across your website. After your terms and conditions page is ready, the next step is to link it to an element that visitors can click. A common place to do this is in the footer, since users often expect legal pages to be located there. But you can also place the link anywhere that makes sense for your website, depending on your layout and navigation style. Once that link is added, visitors will be able to open your terms and conditions page whenever they need to, and that's how to add terms and conditions on Wix.